Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with a special unboxing to do today. This is coming from AutoBrush. It said 15 seconds. This will clean your teeth. Here we are. New toothbrush. Brushes your teeth automatically. Nice little box design. The links are going to be down below for purchase. And this is what it comes with. You get the nice traveling size tote. Here we go. There we go. We got some cleansing to clean your mouth guards. And these are the mouth guards that it comes with. You put this in your mouth and then cleans. So you get one mouth guard, you get a backup mouth guard, and then this is a charging base. Plug the USB in. Here we go. And here is the AutoBrush foam toothpaste. And here is the AutoBrush. Goes up. Easy to use. Said 15 seconds. That's all it takes. And you could do it twice if you want to. It's all up to you. But this is where the juice goes. That's what it looks like. Then you close it. Make sure it lines it up. There you go. Up, up. Plug it in. Push it in like so. And then there's a bottom right there button. Oh. Come on. Here is the action charging on the charging base. Got the USB hooked up. So we got it charged for a few minutes and I'll be right back. That's what it looks like while it's on the base charging. Alrighty, here we go. We got this out. You just gotta pour it in, or any of your other liquid toothpaste that you could use will work with this also. So I gotta do like that. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, one sec. Alright, sorry about that. And then here we go. Gotta take this. And hopefully you guys can see. Fill it up. Any second. Oh. And it's like 10 seconds, around 15. Teeth clean. So that's nice and filled. And here we go. I'll put this together really quick. All I gotta do is close. If you guys can see, close it down. The latch like so. Boom. And then tip seal up. Make sure they line up with the circles. Shoot. No, got it stuck. Hold on. Sorry about that. There we go. Now line it up nice and easy. Squeeze it in. Here's your mouth guard. Put the mouth guard back on into the slot. There you go. Next up, all you gotta do, push the button. Should turn on. It's fully charged. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. When it's fully done, it's gonna turn green, and when it's dead, it's gonna turn red. And full charge will take about 2 hours, but it could last up to 30 days. It depends on how much you use it. So awesome stuff, technology coming from these guys. So grab yourself one, take it to the gym with you. Work, have a couple in your office, give it a gift. And all you gotta do, there you go. There's a button on the side. Should push it. Hold on one sec. Dang. There we go. You can hear it vibrating. About 15 seconds. And like I said, if you guys want to do it twice, you just put it right in. After that, boom, it's all done. Awesome technology coming from these guys. So check them out, YouTubers. You guys have a good day. Be safe. Check out AutoBrush. Link is down below. Great for gifts. Great for yourself. Awesome technology. See, press. And like I said, you can use any liquid.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Oops. Liquid toothpaste to fill it. So awesome stuff there. Good idea. Great size. And it comes with a carrying case. You guys have a good one. Be safe and see ya.